What's up, y'all? It's Jullien from the Multifamily Movement, aka your property brother, aka Mr. Multifamily. I'm making my daily morning run to Lowe's. Real quick, I want to address some things in terms of working with contractors. So first and foremost, everything you do with the contractor, make sure that it is in writing. Make sure that it is in writing. You have to align 100% on what it is that you're doing. And then once it is in writing, when they give you a number, don't let them just give you some one big number. Instead, have them break out each piece of work dollar for dollar for dollar. In case you decide to take something off of that particular quote, you know exactly which line item is coming off and how much that is. Okay, so that's the first thing, is get it in writing. Second thing is make sure that they've broken it down line by line by line. The next thing with working with contractors is that you never want to pay everything up front. You don't even want to pay 50% up front. Typically, what's industry standard is paying a third up front. So a third to get started, a third at the halfway point, and then another third at the end. You never want to come all the way out of pocket. You know, I showed you a picture of all of my contractors, and I can even work with them on credit, but I want to make sure that there's money in their pocket, that they can put food on their table. So you want to pay in installments. All right, so the fourth thing in terms of working with contractors is, if you want to save on materials and make sure that the contractor doesn't do any markup on your materials, you can actually go get the materials yourself. This is why I make some daily runs to Lowe's. I just get the materials myself, so I'm getting them at cost with no 10%, 20% markup on the materials. All right, so those are the four things that you can do to enhance your relationship with contractors. Make sure that you don't get burned. Okay, so first, get it in writing. Second, make sure it's line item by line item. Third is you want to make sure that you pay in installments. And then fourth, you can actually go get the materials yourself, as long as it's not too much heavy stuff. All right, so again, this is Jullien from the Multifamily Movement, aka your property brother, aka Mr. Multifamily. If you want to learn how to do this, you want to learn how to finance, find, and finalize multifamily real estate deals, make sure you go to multifamilymasterplan.com. That's multifamilymasterplan.com, and I'll teach you the game. All right, much love, y'all. Peace.